Welcome, here I've got ASUS ZenPad 10 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's go here to the left corner at the bottom. When we tap on this button we can open the advanced camera settings, and as you can see now we are in the camera settings. We can change it to the video, and for now we are interested in this one, so these are other settings. From here let's slide a little bit down to the MISC settings, and at the second place here we have the location services. So by using this button we can easily turn it off and turn it on like that. This is how it works here. And also the important information here is that to make it work correctly, when we really want to save the actual location of our picture, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters to make it work. And now let me turn it on all of these settings, and let me take a picture to show you how to check the location. Now let's go here to the right corner. When we tap on this we get quick access to the gallery, so this is our photo. So let's tap on this. Now by tapping on this we can get access to the gallery settings, and let's go here to the left corner at the bottom. When we tap on this button we can check the details with the location of this picture. So we have the full address here. Greetings from Krakow, Poland. This is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.